Hey guys, in this video I'm coding a Python program which will search any piece of text in all the text files. It will consider all the folders in subfolders in the specified directory. It will return a list of directories along with the line number of each occurrences.
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long.
So let's run this code and you can see the result right on your screen.
Just like another season.
Thanks for watching.